Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. This is your host John, aka Latherhog, coming at you with a shaving software feature. Today, we're taking a look at Highland Springs Found Cherry, an exclusive scent to the razor company. First up, let's talk about price. So for the shave soap, you get 4 ounces for $19.99, and 4 ounces of splash will run you $17.99. And in full disclosure, I received today's items for free. However, all thoughts and opinions are my own. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I don't always check the product description for new shaving software. However, I really have to draw attention to the write-up for Found Cherry. I'm going to try to put on my most dramatic narrator voice I can.
Deep in the woods lies a bright red cherry, plump, full of color and sweetness. The found cherry appears only once every 2 years. Only one has been ever found, and now it lies in your hands.
Man, that write-up is dramatic and perfectly fits a movie trailer, don't you think? Now, the scent for Found Cherry is inspired by Tom Ford's Lost Cherry, one that I don't own either a decant or a bottle of. However, I have smelled it in the department store before. The scent notes include black cherry, tonka bean, and almond. And to my nose, I would say that cherry and tonka are very much at the forefront of the scent, but it's really well blended and you get a really enjoyable scent. I would definitely employ my favorite word, cologne, here, as it's not a photorealistic scent or a cherry candy by any means. It definitely smells like something that you'd spray on probably for a nice date night or evening out. The scent strength, both from the soap and the aftershave splash, are really strong, quite stout, I would say. Also, there's not too much deviation of the scent between the soap and the aftershave splash. They're pretty much a 1-for-1 match. Now, one negative point that I found after my shave with this set is that I had some slight, very mild irritation, probably some fragrance burn, right at the corners of my mouth. It's enough that I want to note the slight frag burn, but it's not enough where it would turn me off from using this set again. So that's really just a heads up for those of you who are more sensitive to fragrance irritation. The shave soap is top notch. I haven't used Highland Springs in a hot minute, and I have to say that this tallow-based soap is probably in my A tier, at the probably very top of my A tier in terms of performance. And the aftershave splash, which does not contain alcohol, is really full of skin food. In fact, I couldn't notice even into the evening after the shave, my skin felt really good. So I don't know to chalk it up to the good stuff in the shave soap formula. Is it the aftershave splash or some sort of combination of the two? Even considering the mild irritation I had, my skin felt great afterwards. So overall, a great shave with some great products, but let me know, is Found Cherry one that's on your radar? If you tried it, let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. And that'll do it for the feature. Guys, thank you so much for taking some time out of your busy day and tuning in. I hope you all have a great day, and may your shaves be close and comfortable. See you next time.